is my vlog. I'm a vlogger. This is my library of books on gardening. Stack, see, herbs, organic. I can't see that very well. Bible study materials, homeschool stuff, computer. So anyway, I'm going to start vlogging, go with my vlogging, because it's more fun, and I like to watch vlogs, so I want to make them. Here's my baby. They're going to be tomato plants. Here. Wow, they're not sprouting yet. And over there we've got peppers and eggplant. Oh, I've got sprouts. Sweet. Sprouts. They're alive. So anyway, this is my pet. Yeah. Look out. Sick.